Hi and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to change username on X. Open X application on your device and tap your profile picture at the top left, and then you want to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, find section that says Your Account. So here go to Account Information, and finally at the top tap your username. So this is the page where you can see your current username and the field where you can enter your new username. So let's tap here and confirm that I really want to change my username by tapping Continue button. So enter your new username, and when you are ready to save it and everything looks great, tap Done button at the top right to basically change your X username. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.